Hey everybody, it's Will, Mississippi Pickers Auction House. We're gonna have a warehouse sale. That's the empty box. Everything's 50% off, trying to clear it out. We'll walk down these aisles here. We got those deals there. Those are like coffee pots, stuff like that. And we got a ton of stuff on this shelf here, some pictures, table back there. Got a bunch of Christmas stuff left. I'll do it at 75% off, maybe even 90, get rid of it. And we got a whole bunch more stuff there. Gonna clear that out. Come back down, we got a ton of books. They're dwindling down, books there. Got some cookbooks over there, some old stereo speakers, a ton of albums. They've been kind of picked through, but there's still some here. Some nice pots there, over there. And let's walk back this way. Got a bookshelf, a desk, nice pot, some old car dealer tags there. Look through them there, those ought to sell pretty good, I would think. Just Dalphine, Louisiana, or a Shelter Ford, just all kind. Got an old flute. Sleeping bag. This table sold. Here's some more stuff here. We've got a baby chair and a high chair and a stroller. Nice little thing there. Here's a nice little makeup table for a little girl. Got some tables, plants, fake plants that is. Got a nice set of chairs. There's two of those. I'll sell those together. Couch. We got just some stuff piled up in boxes here. I think that mirror sold. A rattan chair, another dresser, Mississippi State clothes, office chair. Got some high back chairs, not high back, but work at a, what do you call it? Like if you're working at a desk out in the factory or something. Got some more chairs. Got a sleigh bed with a queen size mattress in good shape. Got a dresser that goes with it. Got a secretary. This is a cool piece. Let me see if I can get around it. See, that's a nice little mid-century curio cabinet. That piece right there is sold. Got these chairs and that table right there. There's the legs to it. And there's also a what you call a leaf in it there. Got an old sewing machine deal there. Got another piece of furniture. Got some old chairs over here. Got a nice dining room table. Got some Buttercup Lennox china. Got some curio cabinets. Another cabinet there. Everything will be 50% off. Whatever's marked on it, or we'll come up. Those black chairs, I got 13 of those. I'll sell those all at once. That there. There's an old office chair. Check out that table there. A lot of bric-a-brac just laid out in the in totes. Got some Avon china, stuff like that. Some pictures, bar stools. We're gonna get this place a little bit cleaned up. We've been out without power for the last week or three. A rug. Some more of those coffee pots. Another leather. That chair sold actually. So I think that bed sold too. We got that trunk sold already. He's got to get out. It's been a nightmare this past week. Check out that chair there. Remember, if you sell at Whatnot, we got a bunch of stuff we can help you make money with on here. A lot of little bric-a-brac stuff. So I believe that just sold at tables there. There's the other side of that bed. This bed is going to be picked up. Somebody got it. So we're going to do a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday estate sale at the warehouse. Everything must go 50% off. Come by and see us and see if we can help you out. Pick up some good stuff to sell. Thank you.